My question to the government is, how did the government allow such a critical sector to be held hostage by China? Now in 2023, sir, the Union Minister for Chemical and Fertilizers said it is an attempt to end import dependence on urea by 2025. Where is this promise? The Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers are the single largest driver of the supplementary demand for grants, and they're seeking additional 31,066 crores, sir, a staggering 16.39 jump over the original allocation. In the last fiscal year also, sir, the Parliament approved 20,000 crore through two batches of supplementary grants. Sir, in the budget estimates of 24-26, fertilizer subsidy was budgeted at 1.67 lakh crore. Now they are seeking additional 31,000 crores in allocations through SDG, sir. In my opinion, this is not budgeting, it's firefighting, sir. So despite all the rhetoric of Atmanirbhar Bharat, India still imports over 25 to 30% of urea, 50-60 for DAP and 100% of potash, sir. This is a dangerous over-reliance that leaves Indian farmers at the mercy of global suppliers, sir. And great example, sir, of the dependency came last year when China imposed restriction on fertilizer exports, severely impacting India's DAP and urea supply. Now, these restrictions by China led to a 75% drop in DAP imports from China in the first half of financial year 25, sir. Nearly 30% of India's urea imports in 2024 came from China, and making our country vulnerable to China's trade policies, sir. Sir, even raw materials like phosphoric acid, ammonia from China, which means that even domestic fertilizer production is affected by Chinese policy decision. My question to the government is, how did the government allow such a critical sector to be held hostage by China? Sir, the urea imports are regulated by government. In financial year 25, it stood at 43.16 lakh tons. Now in 2023, sir, the Union Minister for Chemical and Fertilizers said it is an attempt to end import dependence on urea by 2025. Where is this promise? Is it also another classic BJP promise which will never be fulfilled?